Welcome to Algo Art AI Euro 2024. This match is between Ukraine and Romania. A win for Ukraine will bring them closer to the knockout stages and guarantee Romania a ticket to go home. A win for Romania will keep their hopes alive. All to play for. The match will be starting soon. 2 versus 2. The winner is the first to score 10 goals. And we have kickoff. Romania on the ball, but Ukraine has scored the first goal. The striker snatched the ball from the defender and smashed it into goal. 1-0 for Ukraine, and it's 2-0 very quickly. Straight from the whistle directly into goal. 2-0 for Ukraine. Almost 3-0 there. Is there another chance? No, nice clearance from the Romanian defender, and now Romania is on the attack and Ukraine has scored an own goal. Romania on the attack, but confusion at the back allowed the Ukraine defender to score an own goal. 2-1 for Ukraine, and a nice goal from the kickoff, bouncing off the wall into goal. 3-1 for Ukraine. Lots of play in the midfield, a loose ball. Oh, it rolled into goal, just like that. A loose ball and kind of roll into goal. Weird one. 3-2 for Ukraine. Romania on the attack. Now lots of play in the midfield and Romania attacking again. Nice clearance from the Ukraine defender. And Romania launching another attack. Is it going to go in? Yes, it does. On the second time of asking, the Romanian striker managed to snatch the ball and push it in. 3-3. The game is tight and Romania almost, they have managed to score a goal. The ball somehow went past the line. 4-3 for Romania. And Ukraine almost scoring there, and Romania did it for them. A terrible own goal. Under no pressure, dribbling it back into his own goal. 4-4. No one letting go of the ball. Romania almost scoring there. A chance for Ukraine. Nice clearance from Romania. And on the attack end, a long ball into goal from Romania. These players are controlled by AI. The higher the country's FIFA World Ranking, the more games its AI gets to train on. Ukraine is ranked 22nd and their AI gets to train on 1.45 million games. Romania is 43rd and its AI gets to train on 1.05 million games. Quite similar. The scoreline reflects that. And we resume the game at 4-5 for Romania. Open goal for Ukraine, and Romania scored it in for them. How bizarre. It's 5-5. An open goal for Ukraine, and they have scored. Got behind the defenders, open goal, easy tap in. 6-5 for Ukraine. Lots of play in the midfield. And Ukraine has scored again to make it 7-5. A few bounces off the wall, the Romanian defenders got confused and it bounced into its own goal. 7-5 for Ukraine, and Romania has put one back, just off the whistle, bouncing off the ball into goal. 7-6 for Ukraine, and Romania on the attack, and somehow missed, and third time lucky. First attack by Romania missed, second own goal attempt by Ukraine missed, and Romania striker pushed in. It's 7-all, and a quick one from Romania, well actually from the Ukraine defender. It's 8-7 for Romania. It was an own goal from Ukraine. A lucky bounce off the side of the goal. 9-7 for Romania, game point, but Ukraine has put one back. Directly off the whistle, directly into goal. 9-8 for Romania, almost sealing the game there, but a lucky bounce and Ukraine has scored. Ukraine has scored to make it 9-all. What an amazing game. We're going down to the last point. And it's 9-all. The last point of the game, and Ukraine has sealed it. What an amazing comeback, and what a goal at the end, bouncing off the wall. What an amazing game. It was so tight throughout. Romania had 3 match points at one point but failed to seal the game. This allowed Ukraine to stage an amazing comeback to win it. Ukraine 10, Romania 9. This is the current status of Group A. Belgium and Ukraine are through. Romania and Slovakia are out. But we have a question for the fans out there. Who will top the table, Belgium or Ukraine? That's the next game. Subscribe to not miss it.